Just a quick review here if you're going to be installing a mobile device on your battery box. Make sure your battery box closes correctly. There's no real clip here on the bottom, and I think it's kind of moving back into shape. It's going to keep the dust out a little bit better now that I fixed it. There was a big bundle of wires in here which was bulging this out. So battery box, SAE line, SAE plug for your battery tender, and see this red line here? That goes under the seat where your USB port is plugged in. That is zip tied to the giant yellowish rubber covered bundle above the airbox. Then your USB line runs all the way up the tank and over the bars. And that's how you power your phone. It's actually pretty easy, but you're going to have to drill a small hole right there, not above the battery, but to the left of the battery, and then seal it with silicone. Boy, am I being silly. Okay. Thank you very much for watching The World's Dirtiest Workshop and Rider of the Storm. This is Christopher Thunder saying bye-bye.